naman. Nagtiyo po yan, ma. Kaya ka, ma'am. Ba, maano naman. Kung hindi ka na mo, blank ka, ma'am.
Gusto mo ka hindi ablo ka gid na.
Wow! Hi!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Kedua, Cem.
Manaan mo din ako din naghalin?
Hi, Ma'am Agnes. Happy 60th birthday. Wish you all the best. More blessings birthday to come. God bless always. Love you.
Nagbakasyon ay kita ay kaisa lang.
Hi, Ma'am Agnes. Happy 60th birthday. Wishing you all the best, Ma'am. God bless you. We miss you.
Hi, happy birthday sa amon nga isa kadagas naman nga teacher sa amon nga elementary days. Wish you a good health and more birthday to come and enjoy your day. Love you so much, Ma'am Agnes. Mwah.
Duty pa dyan.
Alin?
Hi, Ma'am. Happy 60th birthday. Enjoy your day and God bless. Happy birthday.
Hindi dyan ako. Lala mo ran?
Ay,
Oh no, sugit na ka.
si Juan dyan?
Ala.
Ala.
Tumayo? Ha, naglaitsura na ha? Naglaitsura na.
Mary Rose.
Kasi Mary Rose. Naglaitsura ni Mary Rose ha? Kita Bing, isa hindi. Antes kita Bing. Naglaitsura na.
Bro, ahas ba?
Tama karayo kang elementary na. Nagkamay-gamay, guwan ang mata mo niya. Kaunagan ko ng brown out, si Jim. Talaga itsura na, ha? Ay, si Apan. Ano si Apan? Ha? Tabi.
Hi, Ma'am Agnes. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. More birthday to come and God bless you.
Nagpapastabing, nagpa-abroad how?
Hey ma'am, happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Kabay pa nga happy ang imo heart today and may you feel loved, valued, appreciated, and remembered as always. Kag salamat man sa tanan nga na-impart mo sa amon as your students. Love, love. God bless, enjoy your day.
Pagi, talaga original talaga.
Maski di mo ito na makita.
Original talaga. Baka manawagan ko ng motor, ay ko na pa.
Sport kita mo.
Gini ka consider, ito mo dara arabyan bala ni.
Hi mom, happy 60th birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come, blessings. As I remember sa elementary days, ikaw ang isa namon nga para yaw-yaw. That makes sense. Thank you for nurturing us. Thank you for the guidance, love, and care. Stay good inside and out. And whatever desire mo sa imong heart, hope and pray ang Ginoo maga-answer sa imong naampo. Good health.
Uy, chat!
Pamati eh.
Should I cut this one?
Wow!
Friend, should I cut? Friendship.
Di ako mati!
Friend. Should
Di
I
ako
cut?
mati!
Tamo, abot na.
Pero chat! Guwapas chat.
Dupas ko.
Pastor! Napatay naman! Concentrate na pa'y!
Pastil.
Ay ka panawag.
Pastil. Chicken pastil. Uy. Ginapahiya ako ka video ah.
Pwede ni, di pinang-pilang patungodaan si Pastora.
But wait! There's more!
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come and be healthy and safe always. May God bless you. Enjoy your special day.
Pinang-pilang ka wala ni, napmatin ko daw kulay gano'n.
Mom, there's Mom, ano? Friend? Friendship?
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Wishing you more
Pwede ni?
birthdays to come and be healthy and safe always.
Pwede
May
ni?
God bless you. Enjoy your special day.
Hi ma'am, happy 60th birthday. May God guide and bless you always.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Wishing you a good health. May God grant all your heart desire. God bless you always and enjoy your day. Ma'am, happy birthday.
Hindi ko ako makita.
God grant all
Ang mga hindi mo ganun makita yung pang-message ko.
Sa batch ko mo ka dyan ha?
Hindi ah.
Happy 60th birthday, Ma'am Agnes. Wishing you all the best on your 60th birthday. God bless you beyond and abundantly.
Ay, kaya tayo ka dyan si Bell. Kita ka dyan si Bella Street.
To a teacher who always goes above and beyond for their students, happy 60th birthday, Ma'am Agnes. Thank you so much for all your hard work. Ilabi na gid sang elementary days. You're the one of my favorite teacher, ma'am. Thank you so much sa imo nga tanan nga support sa imo nga students. Mayad lang alawas per me, ma'am. May your day as bright and beautiful as you are. God bless.
Si Mary Rose. Good.
Si Christina.
Christina, because Mary Rose. Christina, Black. Bertiso.
Thank you so much sa iyong mga support sa iyong students. Yan lang alawas pero ma'am. May your day as bright and beautiful as you are. God bless.
Hi, Mom Agnes. I want to give you a happy 60th birthday. And thank you so much for being one of the best teacher I had. And sa pag-motivate sa akon nga mag-join sa mga contest like singing. And sa pag-inspire sa akon pag-intindi sa mga kakulangan ko during my elementary days. And thank you so much for everything. May God bless you more and give you more good health. Halong gid pa ni Ma'am. Bye.
Friend, parang flower.
Magandang Muslim dyan.
Hindi mo kilala?
Ang real flower.
Kung ay ko sa sinagawaran, si Dali Ma.
Si Divina.
Uy, si Dibahin dyan. Di tambok tama dyan.
Grabe.
Gawi na nito kablan ni. Muslim si Dibahin.
Banana.
Namin si Dibahin.
Happy 60th birthday, Ma'am Agnes. Praying for your heart's desires and may your birthday filled with happiness and laughter. Enjoy your 20% discount.
Yawa ko pamilit.
Di ba badi mo? Di mo?
Yawa ko pamilit ka niya.
Ay, kung an, itakriyaan dyan.
Enjoy your 20% discount. Hi, Mama.
Hi, Ma'am Agnes. Happy 60th birthday. Wishing you good health always. Para maglawig pa yung mga service sa school. Kag para permi pa kita magkit-anay. God bless.
Diyan ka na walang kupas dyan. Walang kupas ka na dyan. Tama ka na bigyan ka. Sandalin ka. Tama ka binuglohon dyan. Walang kupas ka dyan. Muslim.
Happy birthday, Manila Agnes. God bless you always. More birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Maninay. God bless. Kakabay pa nga duro ko nga birthday ang mag-aabot kanimo. Happy birthday, Liwat.
Ay, si Ma'am Loren. Bukarit. Siyado, siyada. Ino kasi nung pinaranin? Ay, mabakas mo.
Hello, ng Agnes! Happy 60th birthday! Wow, do kasan lang 12 years ago, no?
Happy birthday ng Agnes. I know you're smiling now on your birthday. Kiki.
Okay, thank you, Nang, for being a part of my professional life and at the same time, my love life. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day and God bless always!
God bless! Hey!
Ay, si Ma'am! Wow! 2016. Wow!
Ay, si Mama, ano pa?
Bali, nagbalik siya ni Juan after ni Ma'am Julie.
Hindi. 2012, si Ma'am Julian ang nag-teacher mo.
Hi, Niga. Happy birthday. Welcome to the dual citizenship. Manaan ko na senior citizen ka dun and then enjoy ka dun ka
lagas-lagas ka mga apo mo. And happy birthday. I-maximize gid hasta sa 65 o mag-retire. Marapit man lang imong balay sa eskwelahan. Enjoy your day. And again, happy birthday.
Si Ma'am Julianang picture 2012.
Ang amiga ko. Ay! Ang amiga ko tungod.
Ano si Ma'am Juliana?
Oo, kamusta na ka dyan?
2010, July. Oo, 2013 sa minuto mo. Nagbalik sa minuto 2013.
2007, si Ma'am Jeanette, pag-birthday.
2017.
7. Ay, halin sa rin oras sa ilo kasi ang Jeanette ang ilo. 2007. Tapos, English plan ni Ma'am Juliette, 2012.
Depende 2012. Sa 2012, yan. Sobra 1 year, kasi ang Juliana. 2011, Europe. Yung 2013. Why ko pag-away ng labot?
To you, my friend, my dear friend, happy birthday. Though we become far from each other, and though we seldom see each other, but our friendship remains to be true and real. On this special day of yours, may you be blessed with good health to live, cheerful heart to face every new day, and more blessings for your family and career. Be happy and stay beautiful in and out, amiga. Again, happiest birthday.
Hindi tabang ka dyan, friend. That's why hindi kumaan.
Guwapa si Boba. Ibang bigyan Diyos ko doon.
Hindi ko kumaan. Kaya ka nga nanakaw.
Guwapa si Boba.
Guwapa yun. Inspiration. Inspiration mo. Sinay, inspiration mo. Hindi ko kumaan ka. Count na. Obrigado po. Hindi kumaan.
Nami ay, thank you. Ini pili ko ngayon. Ini pili pakapili. Bakit sanda na ka man? Ko na, ay, thank you. Mama, how come you survive ka
Happy birthday, Mom.
Saan jagi na ka?